is synonymous with gift or talent. So any talent that you have that affects people, we want to know about it because we feel it's our diligence to expose it. So everyone you see tonight has a sound and a talent that we feel confident about, that we feel excited about, and we want to share with you guys, and hopefully you feel the same way.
So, watch me your allegations. I just deny my hustle with Peter Piper. Passed on packing pistols. I put my people in positive situations. No pistols, so partner, let's keep it positive. Bring ace to the issue, cause we send a phone.
You went to Howard University.
HU.
What did you do?
So good. Yo, this is everywhere, man. I mean, like, they say you haven't made it until people say you changed. I'm fortunate, my friends are still my homies, and I hope that never changes, but maybe that's a receipt and an indication of the success I have.
Now my dreams are a little rallies, that disappointment a bitch, ain't gon' be no fucking tonight. Feel like Bron, hard like Kobe, ballin', these bitch niggas know me. Feel like Bron, hard like Kobe, ballin', these bitch niggas know me. Feel like Bron, hard like Kobe, ballin'. My 2 feet got a love-hate relationship. Fuck it, I'ma say this shit. Things ain't been the same since left couldn't get right. Stumbled maybe just a bit. Lost 12 months with it, but recovery got 12 steps, right? So why am I snorting these red lines? Got hoopers in my pistols out in this flat line. Ain't no room for your dreams like traffic in full time. Fail, might as well have them sitting shit bedtime. I'd rather fuck history, have a baby named Infamy than have a date with destiny and make a beautiful dream. How much you want? The weekend flowing like the sea foam. Whoa, the weekend flowing on this rolling stone. My nigga, this is true love. We move music and shove drugs. I do whatever to take it, and I can give a fuck how niggas take it. My name is Taron Johnson. Thank you for awesome. Yes. Thank you for your time. I don't even know. Be good. Good night to all. Peace. Hustlers and pimps, hey, Camdem, Premo, old school Lincoln, feeling like honey, hey, dead president shit, we blank through money, hey, I had the GS, OG had the 750, both trunks full of junk, ripping through the city, 100 on the bed frame, on my way to Philly, drop 100 at the toll booth, told him keep no worry, my nigga said Camden, I'm about to cash out, take a little trip to the trap house, my homie gon' bring all the bags out, sit by the curb and wait for the word, look like he taking the trash out, all my niggas got worked out, feeling that song nigga nut, hey, come around that bullshit, you gon' fuck around, get murked, get murked, all my niggas on rock, Saturdays we come from the slum, standing on the couch, spilling champagne, stuck, I wanna have fun, I'm just slinging that work, I'm just slinging that work, I'm just slinging that work, show niggas I'm hating.